Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Hollandaise sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large egg yolks, half a cup of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to add that perfect zing. Make sure your butter is melted and kept warm, as this temperature is crucial for a smooth emulsion. Having everything ready makes the process much easier. Now, let's get blending. In your blender or food processor, combine the 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and your pinch of salt. Secure the lid and blend on high for approximately 15 seconds. You'll notice the mixture becoming lighter in color and frothy. This step is vital as it aerates the yolks and begins to create a stable foundation for our Hollandaise, preparing it to receive the warm butter. This is where the magic happens. With your blender still running on high, slowly and steadily drizzle in the half cup of warm melted butter. It's crucial to pour it in a very thin stream. This allows the fat to emulsify properly with the egg yolks. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll see the sauce transform, becoming wonderfully thick, creamy, and beautifully smooth. Stop blending once it reaches your desired consistency. Your homemade Hollandaise sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over classic eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or any dish that could use a rich, buttery touch. If your sauce happens to break or separate, don't panic. Simply add 1 teaspoon of hot water to the mixture and slowly reblend until it comes back together. For more great kitchen tips and other deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.